When it comes to installing an exterior door in New Orleans, selecting the right material is essential to ensuring durability, security, and aesthetic appeal. The climate in New Orleans can be a challenge, with high humidity, frequent rain, and occasional hurricanes. Therefore, it's crucial to choose materials that are not only stylish but also resistant to moisture, temperature changes, and wear and tear. Here's a look at the best materials for exterior door installation in New Orleans' unique climate. Fiberglass doors. The top choice for durability and insulation. Fiberglass doors are an excellent choice for homeowners in New Orleans. This material is highly durable and resistant to moisture, which is a significant advantage in a city known for its high humidity and frequent rainfall. Unlike wood, fiberglass does not swell, crack, or warp over time, making it ideal for the wet conditions typical in New Orleans. Additionally, fiberglass doors offer superior insulation properties. They can help maintain a comfortable temperature inside your home, whether it's a hot, humid summer day or a cooler winter evening. Insulated fiberglass doors also enhance energy efficiency by reducing heating and cooling costs, which can be a big plus for homeowners looking to save on utility bills. Fiberglass doors are available in a wide range of styles, including traditional, contemporary, and decorative designs. They can even be made to look like wood, offering the best of both worlds: wood-like aesthetics with fiberglass durability. Steel doors. Strong, secure, and low-maintenance steel doors are another popular option for exterior doors in New Orleans, particularly for homeowners who prioritize security and low maintenance. Steel is a tough, solid material that can withstand extreme weather conditions, including the strong winds from hurricanes that occasionally impact the area. A properly installed steel door can provide an added layer of security, making it more difficult for intruders to break in. While steel doors can be vulnerable to dents, they are highly resistant to rot, rust, and warping. The finish on modern steel doors also resists fading, even when exposed to intense sunlight and humidity, which helps maintain their aesthetic appeal over time. Steel doors come in various styles and are often equipped with energy-efficient cores to improve insulation. These doors are especially ideal for homeowners who prioritize security but still want to ensure that their home stays energy efficient. Wood doors. Classic elegance with proper maintenance. Wood doors remain a classic choice for many homeowners due to their timeless appeal and natural beauty. In New Orleans, where historic homes are common, wooden doors can enhance the curb appeal of your home, providing a warm, inviting entrance. However, while wood doors offer aesthetic charm, they do require regular maintenance to protect against moisture. In the humid climate of New Orleans, wood is susceptible to rot and decay if not properly sealed and treated. Homeowners must regularly refinish or reseal the door to protect it from water damage and ensure its longevity. For those who love the look of wood but want less maintenance, there are composite wood doors, which combine the beauty of wood with the durability and low maintenance of synthetic materials. Vinyl doors. Affordable and resilient. Vinyl doors are a budget-friendly alternative that can withstand the humidity and rain typical of New Orleans. These doors are made from PVC, a material known for its ability to resist moisture, fading, and damage. Vinyl doors don't warp, crack, or swell like wood and are easy to maintain, requiring only occasional cleaning to maintain their appearance. While vinyl doors may not have the same aesthetic appeal as wood or fiberglass, they come in various colors and styles, and they can be a great option for homeowners looking for durability and affordability. Conclusion: choosing the right material for your exterior door in New Orleans is crucial for ensuring its longevity and performance in the face of the city's demanding climate. Fiberglass doors offer the best combination of durability, insulation, and minimal maintenance, while steel doors provide added security. Wood doors remain a beautiful, classic choice, though they require more maintenance, and vinyl doors offer an affordable, low-maintenance option. By considering the specific needs of your home and the New Orleans climate, you can make an informed decision that will keep your exterior door looking great and functioning well for years to come.